Staten Island is that people are worried about what we're going to see next in terms of that snow, and also that tonight there's black ice on sidewalks and on the street here, as well as those side streets that still have been passed over by the plow. There's still some ice here, and people are digging out and trying to find places to put the snow. Just look at this mound behind me. Oh.
I'm not playing.
Louis Negron is serious about snow removal, keeping his own shovel in his car so he can dig his way in and out of a spot. He lives on a dead-end street here in Grasmere, one that didn't get plowed until Tuesday.
And I seen the trucks going by, and I'm like waving them, like, hey, what's up with this, you know?
Just down the block, Vadim digging into a spot after getting home.
Staten Island is the worst. Just came from Brooklyn. Most of the streets are clear.
The city's acting sanitation commissioner acknowledged that Staten Island has its unique challenges, including a few Department of Sanitation vehicles getting stuck on narrow streets with snow-covered cars that could be hit if the truck slid at all.
The narrow, hilly streets and tight corners of Staten Island were some of the areas hit hardest by the storm. We have added extra sanitation personnel above the borough's largest snow plan.
Staten Island Borough President Vito Fasella, who has been critical of the city's snow removal process, issued a statement Tuesday saying in part, the city has agreed to meet with us in the future to identify where things could have gone better these past two storms and strategize on how to best prepare and respond to storms in the future.
You got to have realistic expectations.
But some residents like Alir taking it in stride. In fact, he chose to bury his own car with snow to be able to get another one out.
I don't use it often. Luckily, I'm in the city most days, so just kind of piled it on top.
Is there no other option?
Where do you put all this snow?
And as residents are dealing with this ongoing winter weather, there has been some criticism that New York City public schools were back in person today, including here on Staten Island. The city's schools commissioner did address that today, saying in part it was because this blizzard came at the end of the week off that kids had, and a lot of them did not have any computer at home. So a remote day would have been pretty useless anyway.